Alright, so we're back. Sorry, my video only has 5 minutes because it is on Chromecastify, something like that. I don't know. There's a bunch of different applications on my computer right now. Okay, so for another example for you all who are trying to get used to this, let's go to math. So first, if your child is looking to post what they've done with math. For example, I have math lesson 8.2 here, and this is under Miss Laylan's Fabulous First Graders. So this will still apply to everyone. It'll just look differently for second graders or for nighttime kids, but it'll still have the lesson title up here and a little description down here. One thing that I really like about Seesaw is that I can play the instructions. Like I can record my voice to talk to the students in order for parents to not have to read the instructions for them. So I really like that about that. So I recorded my voice giving them the instructions so that they can also play the instructions on their end. So that is awesome. So if your student is looking to upload a math lesson, they're going to hit add response, and we'll just go for Blake. It gives you this page. This is for 8.2. This is what the student is seeing in their math book. Even though they're writing their response on their paper, they are still going to upload a picture. They will get this screen, but it's an easy fix because this just reminds them this is what your page should look like. So they'll be taking a picture for this one and then another picture for this one. So there should be 2 pictures total for this lesson. It's really easy to remember. They need to go to the camera and then upload. Since I'm on my laptop, it brings up my desktop, and I will just upload a picture as an example for you to see. So here's a picture of some student work. It comes up on the screen kind of small, but all you have to do is drag a corner of it to make it bigger. And I can even flip it around so that it can be right side up. And there you go. So that is how they are setting up their math. And I will delete this, Blake, don't you worry. So I'm going to hit the green check mark, but I'm pretending that I'm uploading Blake's work. So here it is under Blake's little teddy bear name right here. We've got lesson 8.2, and then it shows me that Blake posted his picture for math, and then I, as the teacher, will scroll through. Oh, he didn't post a picture here, and then I will remind him to make sure he does that. But that is what I am seeing on my screen as a response. So then I can click into it and respond back to the students by simply, it's going to let me. Here we go. Here's Blake. By simply, apparently it's not that simply. Maybe my screen's in the way. Oh yes, it's my little person is in the way. All right. Anyway, so I will be able to edit an item, and this way I can be able to click, and here we go. So let's just say that a first grader got one of these questions wrong. Something that I really like about this is that I can use my editing to mark it up. So I can have this pen ready to go, and then I can circle parts that might be wrong. So let's just say the answer wasn't 10. I could say go back and try that answer again. And it looks like my video is going to cut out again, but I'm hoping that this gives you a better understanding.